Hello everyone, how are you? I continue with algebraic identities for class 9 and I am very much sure that you have learned all the formulae. So I continue with the next identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square, and the formula for this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In simple words, if I say, you are having three terms here, right? So square of first plus square of second plus square of third plus 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second plus 2 multiplied by second multiplied by third plus 2 multiplied by third multiplied by first, right? So based on this identity, I have solved few questions. First one is x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. We have to expand this, right? So instead of a you are having x, instead of b you are having 2y, instead of c you are having 3z, or in simpler words, as I said earlier, square of first plus square of second plus square of third, right? Then plus 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second plus 2 multiplied by second multiplied by third plus 2 multiplied by third multiplied by first. So we have square of x plus square of 2y plus square of 3z plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2y plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into x. So if we simplify these, square of x will be x square, square of 2y will be 4y square, square of 3z is 9z square plus 2 2s are 4 xy, and here 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 yz, and plus 2 3s are 6 zx or xz, right? Now next question is a minus 5b plus 3c whole square, right? Now here you are having minus sign with the second term, so wherever you will be writing the second term, take minus sign with that, right? Wherever you will be writing the second term, you have to take minus along with it. So square of first, that is square of a, plus square of second, so that is minus 5b, so square of minus 5b plus square of third, that is 3c, right? Then 2 into a into minus 5b plus 2 into minus 5b into 3c plus 2 into 3c into a, right? I've used the formula square of first plus square of second plus square of third plus 2 into first into second plus 2 into second into third plus 2 into third into first. Now simplify, this becomes a square, square of minus 5 will be 25, so plus 25b square plus square of 3c will be 9c square. Now plus into minus is minus, so 2 5s are 10, so minus 10ab. Here also plus into minus is minus, so 2 5s are 10, 3s are 30 bc, right? So minus 30 bc plus 2 3s are 6 ca. Next question is, we have to expand root 2x plus root 3y minus z whole square, right? Now here third term is having minus sign with it, so wherever you will be taking the third term, take minus z. So square of first, that is square of root 2x plus square of second, that is square of root 3y plus square of third, that is square of minus z, right? Then plus 2 into root 2x into root 3y plus 2 into root 3y into minus z plus 2 into minus z into root 2x. Now square of root 2 is 2, so we have 2x square, and square of root 3 is 3, so plus 3y square, and square of minus z will be plus, right? So plus z square plus 2 into root 2 into root 3 will be root 6, so 2 root 6 xy, then plus into minus is minus 2 root 3 yz, and finally again plus into minus is minus, so 2 into root 2 zx. Next question is, we have to expand x minus y minus 1 upon 2z whole square. Now here these two terms are having minus sign. right? That is second and third term. So wherever you will be taking second term and third term, take minus sign with them. So square of first, that is square of x, plus square of second, that is square of minus y, plus square of third, that is minus 1 upon 2 z, plus 2 into first into second, so 2 into x into minus y, plus 2 into second into third, so that is minus y multiplied by minus half z, plus 2 into third into first, that is 2 into minus 1 over 2z into x. Now simplify them. So square of x plus square of y, this minus 1 over 2z, square of this will become 1 over 4z square, plus into minus is minus, with minus 2xy. Now here these two will get cancelled, so minus into minus is plus, so you're left with plus yz. Here also plus into minus is minus, 2 gets cancelled, so minus zx. So I've given few questions for practice. First is expand 2x minus y minus 3z whole square. Second is a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Third is root 2x minus root 3y plus 2z whole square. And fourth is x minus 1 upon 2y minus 1 over 3z whole square. Now I come to next two identities, that is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. If you remember, I had given two formulae, that is either we can use this or this one, but naturally whenever we are going to expand, we'll be using this formula, right? So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or if you open the bracket, you get this a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Similarly, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or if you open the bracket, so a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? Now here again you can use the simpler method, right? That is when you are expanding these, cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second. And if you have minus sign, so cube of first minus cube of second minus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second. Now again, based on these two formulae, we have solved few questions. So first is expand x plus 2y whole cube, right? So cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second, right? So simplify x cube plus 8y cube plus 3 to the 6 x square y plus, now here square of 2 will be 4, so it's square of 2y will be 4y squared, so 4 into 3 is 12, so 12xy square. Second is 2x minus 3y whole cube, right? So again cube of first, and that is cube of 2x minus cube of second, that is cube of 3y minus 3 into square of first into second, so 3 into square of 2x into 3y plus 3 into first, that is 2x into square of second, that is square of 3y. So we have 8x cube, cube of 2 is 8, 8x cube minus cube of 3 is 27, so 27y cube minus, this becomes square of 4x will become 4x square, so 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square. So if you simplify it further, these two as it is, minus this becomes 3 4s are 12, 3 is a 36x square y plus 54xy square. Third is x plus 1 upon 2y whole cube. So again use the formula cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second, right? So cube of x plus cube of 1 upon 2 y plus 3 into square of the first into second plus 3 into x into 1 upon 2y square of this. So we have x cube plus 1 upon 8 y cube, right? Here 3 over 2 x square y and square of 1 over 2y will be 1 over 4y square, so 3 over 4xy square. Next is 1 upon 2a minus 3b whole cube. So cube of first, that is cube of 1 over 2a, minus cube of second, that is minus cube of 3b, minus 3 into square of 1 over 2a into 3b, plus 3 into 1 over 2a multiplied by square of second, that is square of 3b. So cube of this will be 1 over 8a cube minus 27b cube, minus this will become square of 1 over 2a will be 1 over 4a square, and this as it is. Similarly 3 into 1 over 2a into 9b square. So we have 1 upon 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 3 3 is a 9a square b plus 9 3 is a 27 over 2 ab square. Next is cube of 99, right? So generally in question it's written using suitable identity evaluate. So it's not like, you know, you multiply 99 3 times, 99 into 99 into 99, you won't be getting marks for that. So we have to use the identity unless it's mentioned. If nothing is being written, then you can write it 99 into 99 into 99 and you can get the answer. But generally it's mentioned using suitable identity evaluate this. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So cube of 100 minus 1. Now use the formula a minus b whole cube. Cube of first minus cube of second minus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second, right? Now cube of 100 will be, you will get 6 zeros, 100 into 100 into 100, right? So this it becomes cube of minus 1 is 1, 3 into square of 100 will be 10,000 plus this becomes 300. So add these two, you get this, right? And if you add these two, you get 30,001. So on simplification, you get, this is the answer, 970299. Finally, last question, that is cube of 1001. Again, 1001 can be written as 1000 plus 1, cube of this, and then use the formula a plus b whole cube. So that is cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into square of first into second plus 3 into first into square of second, right? So cube of 1000, you'll get 1 followed by 9 zeros plus cube of 1 as it is, then square of 1000 you'll have 1 followed by 6 zeros and here 3000, right? Add all, this is the answer, 10030030001. I hope you have understood. Thank you.